guys, what's up? Welcome back. And just to give you a recap, in our first video what we did was we installed a firewall for VirtualBox, which we downloaded too, and second video what we did was we installed a machine called Kali Linux, and it's used for ethical hacking and penetration testing for to test vulnerabilities in different networks and websites and stuff like that. And now what we'll be doing is we will be downloading a vulnerable machine. So we have the VirtualBox, we have Kali Linux, and we have this virtual machine called Metasploitable, and we have the firewall just protecting everything. So what we're gonna do is use the Kali Linux in my next video to show how hacking is done. Basically, we'll do something with it. But for right now, what we need to do is just download Metasploitable, and that's what this video is about. So for now, let's go to Google and just type in SourceForge Metasploitable 2, and that should give you make sure the URL is the right one, which is sourceforge.net, and you click on the Metasploitable link, and you should see this right here. So you download that, and you just click it, and it's going to download down here, which you can see I already have like 2 copies of it. And once that's done, I moved mine to the desktop, but yours should be in the downloads folder if you did not move it out. And I have a this zip file, WinZip, that kind of locks it up, but you don't have to if you have subscription, it's up to you to do it, but I just open it with like a regular the Windows Explorer right there. I just extract it like that, drag out. So we just just unzipping the folder. So yeah, so when that's done, what we do is we go back to our VirtualBox, we go to New, we put in the name Metasploitable, okay, and you put here, you want it to be a Linux, and the version you want it to be Ubuntu 64-bit. So the type is Linux and the version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, go next. Keep the recommended memory size. It recommends that, so we have it right there. Go next, and now you want to use an existing virtual hard disk file. And right here, this is where you go look for the file we just downloaded. So you go, mine should be in the desktop, so right here, and Metasploitable. Okay, choose, then you create. Okay, the next thing to do now is to connect the Metasploitable to the firewall. So we go to settings, just like we did in the Kali Linux video, and you go to network, and you want to choose the internal network right there. Okay, now that should do it. So now we run Metasploitable. So yeah, that's this is basically like, while this is loading, I could give you, I may have to cut it out if it takes that long, but basically let me explain what's going on here. So you have this operating system, a machine is basically like a computer of itself, and then you have this machine here. Okay, so we will be using Kali Linux tools in it to test out different hacking methods, cybersecurity concepts with this machine here, and we just need this to protect us. So that's all. This is the first virtual lab setup. So This will be the final video in okay, see the screen, it's all connected, and here the login, the username, it's Metasploitable. So right here, just put it's not Metasploitable. Yeah, it's meta. Let me see. It's MSFA admin. Okay, let me do it again. MSFA admin. Let's see if it takes me. Okay, MSFA DIM ADMIN. Man, I'm recording this it's late at night, and my brain's kind of slow right now. So MSADMIN right there. What does that mean? No, that should be right. Let's do it. MSFADMIN. Okay, MSFADMIN. MSFADMIN. There you go. So now we're in. Okay. Yeah, cool. So that's gonna do it for today. So we have our vulnerable machine installed. We have our hacking machine, the machine used to hack, installed. We have our firewall installed, and everything is in this virtual box. So yeah, so that's it, and thank you guys, and check me out in my next video where we will actually be using Kali Linux with just a simple hacking methodology to get into Metasploitable. But yeah, check me out in my next video, and that'll be it. So thank you, and see you guys later.